If you find any missing or damaged parts during the assembly process, please contact our team. This section contains some important notes. We suggest that you quickly read through it before starting the assembly process. Last check before installation. Test the music movement. Tighten the metal cube. Insert and turn the winding key. Check for obstructions around the black part. To make sure it isn't touching the white cylinder above, a small gap is needed. Sandpaper is mainly used for smoothing the burrs on wooden boards. The lubricating wax stick is used to lubricate all the parts as specified in the instructions. The F4 can be removed first and used as an installation tool. Each of these parts here needs to be removed and lubricated with a wax stick. Make sure all the parts are installed properly and waxed. Install another one using the same method. B3 is different from B4 and should not be used interchangeably. Install the two gears symmetrically as shown in the figure. When installing the parts from the F board, please remove the protective films on both the front and back sides. Pay attention to the position of the green patterns. Make sure all the parts are installed in the correct position and waxed. Leave a gap when installing A1. Test whether the gears can rotate. After installation, please ensure that these two gears mesh smoothly. F2 can assist in installation. Test whether the gears can rotate. install another one using the same method. Remove the protective films on both sides. When installing P8, leave a 1 mm gap. The pedals are not symmetrical on the left and the right. When installing, always place the side with the longer spacing on the left.